Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily on your iPhone iOS 18 after the update. So if you want to deactivate your account for some time on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to simply go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. So if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app, and after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply go back. Now here you have to simply open the Instagram, and here you have to click on profile. So here you can find three lines here, so you have to click on that, and after that, what we have to do, you have to simply look for account details and security. So in settings and privacy, you will find account center. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that, you have to simply click on password and security. So here if you find, then there is no option available related to deactivation, so you have to simply go back. Here you have to click on personal details, and here you have to click on account ownership and control. So here you will find the two options. The first option is memorialization, and the second one is deactivation or deletion. So here you will find temporarily deactivate or permanently deactivate your accounts and profile. So here you find the account. So you have to simply select the account you want to deactivate. The first option is that deactivate your account temporarily. Your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photo will be removed from the most thing you have shared. So if you want to deactivate for temporary time, then you have to click on that. And moreover, if any account is associated with the page, then it is also removed from your account. And after that, you have to simply click on continue. And here you have to simply provide your password, and after providing the password, your account will be deactivated. So if you want to reactivate your account, then you have to simply just log into your account, and after that your account will be reactivated again. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.